Have you ever wondered why we make certain choices, even when they are not in our best interest? Why do we stick to our old habits, even when we know they're bad for us? The answer may lie in the fascinating field of behavioral economics and a concept known as the nudge theory. In this video, we will dive into the world of nudge theory and how it can be used to influence human behavior. So get ready to be nudged. We all want to make better decisions, but sometimes we get on the wrong way. For example, when it comes to saving money, we know that we should, but often we end up spending more than what we intended. This is where the nudge theory comes in. What is nudge theory? In its core, nudge theory is the idea that small changes in the environment can lead to big significant changes in behavior. It was first popularized by the book Nudge: Improving Decisions About Health, Wealth, and Happiness by Richard Thaler and Sunstein. The basic premise is that by making small adjustments to the way choices are presented, people can be nudged towards making better decisions. Let's take an example. Say you want to encourage people to eat healthier. Instead of lecturing them on the benefits of eating vegetables, you can use a nudge. By placing the healthier option at the eye level in the grocery store and putting a picture of a healthy salad on the menu at a restaurant, you're making it more likely that people will choose the healthier option without even realizing it. Another example of the nudge theory in action is the use of default options. For instance, when you sign up for a new retirement account, the default option is usually to contribute a small amount each month. By doing so, people are more likely to contribute to their retirement savings than if you had to opt in themselves. Nudge theory can be broken down into 4 key principles. The first one is default. We tend to stick with the status quo, so setting a default option can have a big impact on behavior. The second one is feedback. Giving people feedback on their behavior can help them make better choices. The third one is simplifications. People are more likely to take action when the steps required are simple and clear. The fourth one is incentives. Rewards and penalties can be powerful motivators. One example of using incentives to nudge behavior is a program called Step Bet. This app encourages people to be more active by betting on themselves. Users pay a small fee to join and then set up a goal for the number of steps they want to take each week. If they meet their goal, they get a share of the pot. If they don't, they lose their bet. This app has been incredible success in getting people to be more active. So there you have it, nudge theory in a nutshell. By making small changes in the environment, we can influence behavior in a positive way without resorting to force or coercion. Whether you are trying to save money, eat healthier, or be more active, nudge theory can help. So the next time you're trying to make some change in your life, think about how you can nudge yourself in the right direction. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, click the thumbs up and subscribe. This is all from me for today, and peace out.